Welcome back to Daytime, everyone. For some families, the holidays mean more than toys. The season can also bring a new four-legged family member. Dr. Melissa Webster is here with advice on pet safety during the holidays, pet health, diet, exercise, vaccinations, and flea and tick control, even in the winter. Welcome back, Dr. Webster.
Thank you for having me.
A lot of people think now fleas, ticks, really not an issue because it's getting colder out, but that's not the case, right?
That is not the case. Unfortunately, we see a lot of pets right now that have fleas and or ticks on them, and the concern is obviously we can get diseases, especially from the ticks. And the fleas, we found 2 new diseases in that we can get.
So apart from seeing your animal scratching, how do you know if they've got fleas or ticks, or if they're just scratching because they're itchy? Well,
one of the things we use is a flea comb that sometimes helps as far as being able to, get to the animal and comb their hair coat a little bit more. And this helps because it has really fine teeth, and that you can run from the top of your dog or cat, from their ears down to their tail. And usually fleas you'll find up by their ear area and sometimes above their tail.
Let me just see that. It's a really, really fine tooth. And will you actually be able to see the fleas in there once you do it?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
And then you can take like a white paper towel with a little alcohol or soap and water and kind of tap it on the paper towel and sometimes see the actual flea dirt, we call it, but that's the poop from a flea.
Right.
And then it turns red because it's actually blood. The ticks, if they're attached, they may bounce, and you might bounce over them.
Okay, so I'm thinking if you find that you've got your animal does have fleas, you've got them in your house now, right?
Potentially, yes, because an adult flea population is only about 5% of the problem. The rest are larvae and eggs in the carpet or in like seats, like chairs and stuff like that, and in cushions. But yeah, so
what do we do about that?
We need to definitely remember when you're doing heartworm preventative with your cats or dogs to please apply the flea and tick prevention. I use the Frontline Tri-Tac on my dogs, and my cat's on Kitty Cat Revolution, but it's just easy, back of the neck, down the skin. The newer flea tablet that's out only does fleas. People sometimes forget that it doesn't take care of ticks.
Okay. A friend of mine, a neighbor actually, had a tick infestation, which I have never heard of before, but it was in their lawn and then all over their dog.
Yes.
This happens when people resod, when they put down mulch.
Correct.
What can you do if you notice your animal has quite a few ticks on them? I thought it was just a rare thing to find one, but that dog had a bunch.
Well, I think we encourage people to bring the pet to your local veterinarian and your regular vet, because the ticks have a problem because we can get Lyme's disease or Lichia, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, a lot of tick-borne diseases, obviously, that we worry about because there may be a product that's more appropriate for your pet. The newer product that has come out now actually kills ticks. It starts killing fleas and ticks within an hour. That's that Frontline Tri-Tac stuff.
Really?
So that's because I had a tick on me this weekend just from walking in the park, and it didn't attach, but definitely made me go, oh my God.
Yeah, they're out there.
And I reapplied to my pets.
Dr. Melissa Webster, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hey, Lance, over to you.